So here's new trending app called Spireworks. Let's see what this app is about. This is a scammy app. What is that? Use your mobile phone to sign in and control the Spire lights using a range of different colors and special effects. Request an invite from within the app. Choose between one Bryant Park 151, two of the most iconic buildings on the New York City skyline. See the lights on the spires change colors in real time before your eyes. Spireworks supports and partners with charities. It takes over the spire for special events, donates towards a good cause, and gets special access. So some people are saying that yeah, this is an really cool, amazing app. But yeah, if you get an invite, if you don't get an invite, then it's super hard. And then you will see when there is a new access. So there are like a timely events where you can see when this app is gonna work and when you can highlight this, and then you can just log in. Otherwise you need to request access, and then we will consider request for the incoming upcoming invite giveaway. So that's how you can get an invite code here. So that's how it works. And then yeah, within the app you can control the lights on these huge amazing buildings. So yeah, that's the idea. So pretty cool. Hopefully they will extend their operations to more buildings. But yeah, have fun.